Hello everyone, Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, today I want to give you a little bit of a tidbit and some tips on how to deal with naysayers. How to deal with naysayers. As many of you all know, I am involved with Livegood, and I'm going to tell you this business opportunity is blowing me away every step of the way. But let's get besides that. You're going to have people that will come to you left and right and telling you one thing or another about Live Good, and they might say, oh, it's a little bit too hypey. How can you make money? All this other good stuff because you're just paying $9.95 per month. That's no real money. You're going to have a lot of people that are going to naysay against exactly what you're presenting with Live Good. But I want to tell you first and foremost, don't let that deter you. When you have a made-up mind to actually put out a wonderful opportunity, stay the course. Stay focused and stay the course. Because a lot of times people want you to be involved in their nutritional business, okay? But you have to think about this. And what we're going through here in the United States and around the globe, actually, will you benefit by being in another company that might be a nutritional company that has a serious, steep auto ship every single month? And I am just being honest with you all. It's going to take you some time. Unless you're a super fast builder, unless you're a leader in the industry, and you have a swarm of people that's going to follow up behind you, it will definitely take you some time to not only build that business, but it's going to take you some time to actually attract people that would be willing to spend that kind of money on an auto ship every single month. And we're talking about a couple $100. We're not talking about a small amount. But see, what Live Good has done is actually shook up the industry because they said enough is enough. And so I kid you not, those that are actually in the other nutritional opportunities that have built the business over time and they're earning money, sad to say, most of the people that they've actually bought in are just purchasing products, but they're not actually earning any money. They're not actually making any money. And so when you come out and you share the Live Good opportunity, that's what's going to attract a lot of naysayers, because they don't really want you to give the good idea, a realistic idea, to the people that are actually purchasing from them. They say, they have these products over here. They're excellent products over here, and I'm paying $200 to $300 a month. I'm getting products, they're good, but I'm not making anything. The only person that's making money is the guy upstairs, the guy above me, the leader that's over hundreds and maybe even thousands of people, but they're the only ones making anything. I'm just a purchaser. So you're going to run into naysayers. You're going to run into people that are going to bash the compensation plan. They're going to bash maybe our owners or whatever, and that's fine. But what you have to do is have that thick skin. And I tell you, I've had thick skin from the very beginning. And I know without a shadow of a doubt, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my mom. You know why? Because honestly, she was my first actual naysayer. She was the first one that actually said, stop, put away foolish ways. You won't be able to make any money that way. And initially, with that particular item, she was right. I'll never take that away from her. But what it taught me is when I have a made-up mind and when I'm focused and I see something that I would like to achieve, that I go for it. And that's what you have to do. This industry is either for you or it's not for you, okay? But I will tell you, it is the best industry that will give you a lifetime of rewards if you just buckle down, if you just focus, and you put a strategy in place and be consistent day in, day out. So hear me when I tell you. You're going to run into naysayers. You're going to run into people. There's no doubt about that. But I'm going to tell you, if you stay steadfast, if you stay the course, you will win with Livegood. You will win not only in a health aspect, not only in a financial aspect, but you are going to be connected with other like-minded network marketers in this industry that see the vision and understand. And the thing about that, which is a beautiful thing, everyone will have a smile on their face. Everyone will have wonderful conversations. And hopefully you'll get a chance to go with your teams and have trips. I know that's what we're planning for our team as we grow. You have to understand, when you look and you Google all the other industry, nutritional companies in this industry, we have the highest. We have the highest in such a short period of time. We have the highest of people ranking in a company. Ranking. Industry average says that a person can recruit at least 2 people. At least 2 people. I want to ask you, in any other business, where do you see with 2 people that you can earn what you earn here with Livegood? Or where do you see where you don't recruit or you don't share with 2 people that you have the potential to earn what you can earn here at Livegood? So please, discount all the naysayers. Don't worry about what they're saying. As long as you tune in and you focus, I assure you, you will not lose out with Livegood. You're going to be healthier than before. I can assure you right now, if there's certain products and you want to ask me, email me at askcassandragoode@gmail.com. I'm going to tell you right now, there are certain products that you can purchase from Livegood that are going to drastically change your blood work, the numbers for your blood work, because they've done it for me. I didn't even realize that I was deficient when it came down to magnesium. And there's specific blood tests that you have to take in order to know what your deficiencies are. Okay? So just understand me when I tell you, naysayers are going to come to you. They're going to drop in your DM. They're going to come and hit you in social media. They're going to come at you in all ways, but you stay focused. You stay steadfast, okay? Just wanted to let you know that. And if you're not in Livegood, you've been dancing around it, and you've been thinking, should I do it? Should I do it? You know, you're overanalyzing, you're listening to 20 different people. Trust me when I tell you, you have found a home, a solid, secure, healthy, and a residual home that will definitely make you and your family comfortable in the near future and beyond. So definitely click the link below. Let's have you on our team. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you here. And please, by all means, hit that notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Other than that, God bless, and I'll speak to you soon.